People of the world, take a look at what Jerusalem looked like in 1925. No slave masters, no shackles, no chains. This is what they do not want you to see. Black people, the children of the sun, God-chosen people, the rightful inhabitants of Jerusalem. In 1925, in the Americas, blacks were being treated less than animals. But in Jerusalem, oh beautiful Jerusalem, they were smiling and living free. So it will be once again when God returns Jerusalem to its rightful inhabitants. Come